Hey guys, Psycho here. Yeah, I got my little girl with me too. She's laying under the... There she is. Okay, I got a request from somebody to show these knives. So, I got the lighters out here to explain the prices. I'm gonna go ahead and say, these here, the Goldeneye, the two chicks, the Vietnam one, and the Blue Devil, they're 30. These over here, let's see here. Let me zoom in. One is a cross, alien, I guess, dragon, and the other one is Hooters. Those are 20. No. Let's see, 30. 20, no. Yeah, I'll do 20 for those. Those are 20. And then these over here, you got Ernie's Oil Tool, Oil Tool Co., One Piece, The Bible, Naruto, Dean's Welding Service, and Bacon Well Services Inc. Those are 10. Now onto the knives. Got the Cobra, California Cobra tops. This is what it looks like. It came this way. I got it used. I get all my stuff off eBay. I know. That's before I found out about blade forums and YouTube. That's where I did all my shopping. Here is the felony stop. So you can see, got your nice jimping right there. Nice sheath. Comes with a whistle. I don't have any of the paperwork or anything, so it just comes that way. And then here's a little Condor neck knife. Condor, El Salvador. Nice little guy. Okay, and then this is a Condor. Let me zoom out. Okay, I am zoomed out. Couldn't really tell you what this one is, but there's the numbers. Second, or Seraph, I guess, Japan. Nice sheath there. Then here's the wooden handled jungle buoy from El Salvador. Got the Condor thing. Very, very sharp. Shadow likes the strap. And then let's see, here's the TDI police, I guess. Dusty. Of course, partial serration, never used. Also, this is how it comes. And then here's the ankle one. No, Shadow, I gotta sell this stuff. But this one, it comes plain. Perfect. That's that. And now I've got two unboxings. What am I gonna use to unbox that she won't try to attack? Oh. Let's see here. I shall use my Deja Vu. Alright. I have no idea who this is from, so let's cut it up here. Okay. Looks like some bubble wrap. Oh yeah, this is mini AK that was done by somebody. And he said he had problems with the blade, but that's okay. That's cool. Ow. Shit. It's mine now. Oh geez. That's sharp. Hey, that's cool. I got two cold seals back. I don't care if it looks like that. That's fine with me, y'all. Clip. Highly used. That's cool. It's nice though, man. Thank you. Forgot who it was from. Yeah, that's right. We did a trade. Trying to remember who it was. Trying to find something better to listen to. Too much heavy metal. Alright, and this one's from my buddy Steve, who did I bought the Southern from him off Blade Forums, and he also did scales for my rat, and I sent it back to him to get fixed. Ooh, there's more stuff in here, dude. That's freaking awesome. It's got a whistle. Tizite, y'all. Let's see what else is in here. Alright, that's it. See, nothing else in there. Alright, let's... Ooh, we got some more decals. Sweet. Another Emerson. That's cool. I gotta send him an email. Alright, let's see how this rat turned out. Said it turned out better than he expected. I haven't seen it like maybe in a month. More stuff to pack with. I just got a big roll of bubble wrap. Alright, fellas and ladies and gentlemen, let's see what we got here. Let's see how bad this dude looks. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, that's my rat. Had a little scratch there to begin with. Wow. That is gorgeous. Don't need to flick it out. Now that is a gentleman's knife there. Oh man, that is smooth. Smells good too. Yeah, I'm gonna cut myself if I do that. Let's see how sharp this baby is. Ooh. That is sharp. Never really used it. And I'm not selling it. Because it's just, I mean, he had to especially do which side I told him I was going to have it, which was right tip down. So he drilled the holes there. And he adjusted it. Wow. Perfect centering. Lock up. 50. Is that 50? No, that's a little more than 50. That's awesome. Okay, guys. Well, that's the vid I was going to do today. I will if you want to see some others on the sale list, I'll be all right. I'm in the trash can. Woo! All in one, bitches. I can do a video and show you what they look like if my other video did not show them well enough, but yeah, just follow the rules and everything will be cool, because I'm that type of dude. And welcome all new people. Welcome to my channel. I am the crazy man. Not really, but I like to be crazy. Oh, that's awesome. I'm going to try this on, see what it feels like. Ta-da! Got my whistle. I don't like it tight, so it's perfect. If there's any questions, PM me, because I tend to respond on my cell phone, and of course you can't PM on your cell phone. I don't have Instagram yet, so oh, that is nice. Got a nice lanyard with that. Too bad I don't have a wooden lanyard. That'd be funny. You got wood on your knife. Yeah, I sure do. Oh boy. Well, yeah, guys, I appreciate everybody and comments and everything, and I'm going to upload this now, so peace out, y'all. Laters. I'm rich,